In this video, I am going to show you how to use secret conversation in Facebook Messenger. In our daily life conversation, we use Facebook Messenger, but always when we chat with our friends and others, the chat history remain in the conversation thread. If we want to delete this conversation, then tap and hold and tap unsend or remove for you. By this way, we can delete our conversation history. But in the case of secret conversation, we can easily get access on this. Open the conversation with whom you want to continue secret conversation, and then tap on the I button on the top right corner, and then scroll down and select Go to Secret Conversation. Here you will find all the features of Facebook Messenger. In the text box you will find a clock. Tap on the clock and you can select the time when the message will be disappearing. Now I am selecting 5 seconds and then tapping OK and send the message. You will find a counting here. The message will be disappeared after 5 seconds when the person sees the message. You don't need to delete this manually. You can change the time from here 5 seconds to 1 day. Select your time and tap OK and enjoy the secret settings of Facebook Messenger. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this and you learned something interesting from this. Subscribe the channel for more future videos.